Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Welcome, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the soulful world of gumbo, a rich and iconic dish straight from Louisiana. It's much more than just a stew, it's a culinary journey. We'll explore its key components, like that essential dark roux and the famous holy trinity of vegetables, all coming together for an unforgettable meal. Now, let's talk about the heart of any great gumbo, the roux. This beautiful blend of fat and flour is what gives your gumbo its signature depth and richness. You'll want to continuously stir it over medium heat, patiently watching as it transforms from a light blonde to a deep, dark brown, resembling a rich chocolate. This step takes time, but it's absolutely worth the effort for that incredible flavor foundation. With your perfect roux achieved, it's time to build those incredible flavors. Gently toss in the holy trinity of vegetables, chopped onions, celery, and bell peppers. Sauté them until they're nice and soft, letting their aromas fill your kitchen. Then, gradually pour in your warm chicken or seafood stock, whisking constantly to create a smooth, beautiful base for your gumbo. This step really starts to bring everything together. Next, it's time to add the stars of the show, your proteins. Whether you prefer sliced smoked sausage, tender chicken, succulent shrimp, or a mix, now's the moment to incorporate them. Once everything is in, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let your gumbo cook slowly for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly deepen and marry together. The longer it simmers, the more amazing it tastes. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Ladle your rich, aromatic gumbo generously over a mound of fluffy white rice. For an extra touch of authenticity, consider topping it with some fresh chopped green onions or a sprinkle of file powder. This hearty, comforting meal is perfect for sharing with family and friends. Enjoy the warm, soulful flavors of your delicious homemade gumbo. It's truly a dish to cherish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.